Happy Monday! The daffodils are up and there are signs of spring. There are signs of spring, people. So guys, we're making my morning stop here at our local McDonald's. This is my morning routine every morning, right here. Right here, Matt's inside there. Every morning, I stop here like clockwork. I kid you not. Now, I'm usually somebody who goes through the drive-thru. Are you a drive-thru person, or are you somebody who physically gets out of your car and goes inside? Matt's that person. I am the drive-thru person. So if he's getting McDonald's as well, he'll pull in and he'll just get mine. So I'm sitting here right now. He's got it for my regular large coffee with 6 cream. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wasn't always a coffee drinker. I was always a tea drinker, and I still love my tea, don't get me wrong, but my daily routine has changed since I started doing keto and low carb, because I really got into, and especially if you've been following this vlog for a while, I really got into the whole bullet coffee. So now it's like a whole new world for me, a whole coffee new world. And so I completely understand the memes that I see going around where people go, you know, don't talk to me till I have coffee, or, you know, I can't do anything till I have coffee, or, you know, morning nectar of the gods. So now I feel like I've really come into appreciating coffee. Tea was something I always grew up with, and we have tea. You have tea in the morning, you have tea in the afternoon, you have tea with your breakfast, your dinner, your supper, you have it at night, you have it when you're happy, you have it when you're sad. Tea is good, but coffee is how I love to start my mornings. Oh, so good. Coffee is in the house. Do you notice that when the coffee came out, the sun came out, Matt?
Oh my.
I'm pretty sure that there is a direct correlation. I always say to Matt, I have no idea how he got through military, all his time in the military, and did not become a coffee drinker. Like, how do you even stand upright? Didn't you at one point have to, like, be in charge of a giant coffee pot?
Yes, that's a whole nother story.
Yeah, right? You know what I'm saying. So now here's what I gotta do. This is my other part of my routine. I gotta open up the little flap to let all the steam out, because we all know that McDonald's, especially a large coffee, is so hot that we gotta let it cool down a little bit. So usually maybe about 15 minutes into my drive, I'll be able to drink that. And this is what I'm having for breakfast this morning with it. I'm having a coffee. It's Monday morning. I'm having a coffee and a chocolate chip cookie, okay? And I love these right here. I think they're awesome anyhow, but especially if you're doing low carb.
Mine takes down to 10, and then another 6 off 9 is 3.
3 net carbs. Thank you, Matt, for doing. Matt did the math for us, and 3 net carbs. So guys, it's a little bit later in the morning, and now what I'm doing is taking all my notes and putting them into a training session for all the awesome gals in my business coaching group. Every Monday, I teach and train on a different topic for somebody else out there who's looking to take their business from hobby into full-on business, making money to be able to support your family. It's the things that I wish somebody else would have been a burden on my shoulder and help just guide me, because I do believe that when you surround yourself with other people that are where you want to be, or have gone before you, you can learn so much, and it can really help escalate and just evolve and move your business forward. Today, I'm going to be training them on a topic that they've asked me about. Is a vendor show right for me? What are the questions I should be asking myself if I want to get involved in a vendor show? What should a vendor show look like? What are good ones? You know, what should I take with me? My setup, like all of the things when you're growing a business and you're just wanting to know about vendor shows. So I'm gonna go record this, and I'll catch up with you guys in just a second. So our coaching group is finished. Matt went up to the local secondhand bookstore. They got the #2 Harry Potter book, The Chamber of Secrets, in for me. I'm so happy. You guys know that we just came back from Universal Studios. I've always been a Harry Potter lover, because I do love everything whimsical and shabby. And while I've only read the first book, I am challenging myself to read the entire series. And I think I have the complete Harry Potter series now. So one of the things that we've been working on behind the scenes is getting sample cards created for all of our color swatches, and I'm excited. We're pretty much there, and now I need to make a run to the office supply store so I can go ahead and get these printed and get them online. So that's something I'm working on today. Yes, there's a lot of paper, and there's even more all stashed around my studios. So what I'm going to do right now is sit down and get this organized. Yesterday in the vlog you saw that I actually just finished painting an old magazine rack to turn into part of the storage for my papers. So I'm going to continue to gather everything around here, put into a pile, and then sort from there. I am going to get this organized before I leave today. All right, we have made a small dent. It feels good to organize. Listen, I don't like chaos in my life, but I do manage to create what feels like a tornado behind me. So that is a superpower of mine. Anybody else out there? I think that's one of the things that we get into as makers and creators is we get so into what we're doing, we just let it all fly around us until it gets to the point, at least for me, that it gets like complete catastrophe. And then we've got to tame it all down and we got to organize it and just do a complete reset. So anyway, I got a big dent here in my organization. I know I've been telling you guys that I will give you a tour of my studio, and I've not yet had the time or I've gotten things in place, but will anything ever be perfect? Probably not. So I'm going to go ahead and continue tomorrow. I'll end this vlog here, but tomorrow I'm going to come back and continue to work on my space. And then I promise I will give you, I'm making a commitment, I'll give you a studio tour of my space this week here on the vlog. So keep watching. And look, when you clean, you just find stuff that you forgot you even bought, right? Look at these pom-pom tissues for $1.24. Oh, I thought these would be so cute to hang. So anyway, when you refine the stuff that you already bought, and you're like, yeah. I think I'm going to work next on my stencils and getting them all into my stencil organizers. All right, I will see you guys again tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great evening. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell. It notifies you every single time my video uploads are ready. Make it a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.